Hi guys! So if you are a freelancer who works independently or kumukuha ka ng sarili mong client, most likely you're doing lead generation for yourself. If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So I'm going to share the simple hack that I found out just now, wherein the AI will write a cold message outreach for you. All you need to do is, of course, fill in the information you need about the business or the prospect clients that you are planning to reach out to, and match the prompt based on your preference. Yes, matching na lang ng prompt yung gagawin natin or yung gagawin mo because the prompt is already given. Okay, so yun, may mga konting fixes na lang or yung specific na lang yung gusto mong gawin. And I'll show you how. So right now, I have a pre-filled information and ginamit ko dito, of course, my as an example na as a prospect client is itong 122 Digital. Okay, so kinuha ko yung Facebook link, of course, because I'm planning to reach out through Messenger chat. So, this is, by the way, bagong-bago sa Airtable. So, if you're not using Airtable to store all the information ng target clients mo or ng dream clients mo, you might want to use this, free naman siya. So, by the way, this is not sponsored by Airtable. Gusto ko lang i-share. Okay? So, yan, bagong-bago pa to, fresh pa from the oven. So, Facebook link yung kinuha ko. Kasi of course, nandiyan yung messenger, i-message natin sila. For example, yan, ganyan. And then, so here's what you want to do. Open natin tong Omni. And then, let's give a prompt. So, may nakita ko ditong pre-filled prompt na talaga. Pero dahil ngayon, hindi siya lumalabas. Ngayong ginagawa ko siya. This is live. So, gagawin na lang natin siya. Create an agent to send cold outreach message using Facebook link. So, wait natin siya. Eh, meron na tong naka-ready na dito yung yung prompt na yon, yung output na yun, or input na lalabas. Ayan. So, ito yung example niya. So, we can click this. Click mo tong cold outreach message, of course, yung ginawa natin. And we can edit this one. So, oops. Yan. Try natin to. Yan. So, yan. You are a professional outreach specialist skilled in drafting personalized messages for social media platforms. Diba? Ready na siya. So, user-friendly, approachable, blah, blah, blah. Create a brief, engaging cold outreach message introducing yourself, explaining the purpose of your contact, ensure the message is suitable for sending through Facebook Messenger that it encourages. So, ayan, ayan, blah, blah, blah. Basahin na lang natin siya. Output format. So, paragraph outreach, message in plain text do not include greetings, closings, or any additional text outside the main message content. If the required details are missing, output insufficient information to generate a message. Example, hi, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Yan. So, let's see. Let's use my edit natin. Example, output. So, I'm gonna use my example. Yan. Sa natin example ko, and then, yan. So, makikita mo siya dito, yan. So, example, output. So, nagbigay tayo ng example sa kanya na pwede niyang pagayahan kung meron ka na nun. Meron ka na dati pang ginagamit or gusto mong kumuha ng other, post mo lang dito as a sample para makita niya kung how you want it to look like pag sinend mo na siya sa message. Okay, tapos yan. So, here's my And then, so dito, pwede mo siya actually, may iba ginagamit siya, yung change field. Yan, meron siyang mga option dito. Nasaan na yun? Ayan, may Facebook link, ayan. 'Di ba bagong-bago talaga siya. 'Yan. So, but this time hindi natin siya gagamitin dahil naka-ready na siya. Puwede rin 'tong status, 'di ba? 'Yan. Ay, what happened? Oh my God, 'di ko siya na-save. 'Yan. So, ulitin natin. So, i-hit natin yung example output. 'Yan, ibaba natin. Then, paste ulit natin yung example na gusto kong gayahin na or output na gusto kong makita. And then, ayan na, ready na siya. Ito yung name of the company. Yan, ready na siya. And then, hit save. Yan, hit save. Yan. So, dito, lalabas na siya. Ayan na siya. Hi. I discovered your Facebook page and was really impressed by your creative digital mark. Love to connect and chat how we can collaborate yung ano. But, of course, refresh natin siya. Kasi, 'di ba bago yung binigay nating ano. Yan, first by ano. Love connect to see if there's a way. Yan. So, ganun din dito. Since wala kasi tayo ibang name dito, um, hanap tayo ng ibang example ng ano, ng, kunyari dito tayo sa aesthetics na 'to. So, name niya, gamitin lang natin siya as example. Para makita niyo siya ng live. Then, let's get the Facebook. Ang galing, 'di ba? So, ayan. And then, yan, run agent. So, pag nag-run ng agent, yan, hi sa badge, sa Vodge. Diba, makita natin. Yan. You see, guys? So, mas madali na siya, di ba? If we are, ano, and copy na lang natin yan. And then, paste natin doon dito sa clinic, message natin. So, 'di ba, sobrang dali, sobrang ano, sobrang galing talaga and kaya excited ako na i-share dito sa channel na 'to. So, if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng i-share ko. So, yun lang. Sana magamit mo and makatulong sa iyo for making your process faster, 'di ba, sa pagsisend ng cold outreach. So, yun lang. Bye-bye.